Happy Good Friday, everybody. I hope you're having a lovely day. It really is just amazing. I can't believe it's actually just April. It's just so warm. Hope that you've had a lovely day so far. Can't believe also in the last week, never mind 2 weeks, how much the trees have started to change the colour. Just everywhere you look, there's a really lovely green hue, so just beautiful. And blossoms appearing everywhere, just fantastic. Just doing a little video at the moment because I'm in here with Margaret, and purely because she's going into a different stage and she keeps lying down. She's very tired. It's been too hot. I mean, pygmy goats love warm weather, but this is really, really warm, and she's carrying, I think if you can see, let me have a little look. She's carrying, I would say, at least twins. So last year, as I say, we had twins, a set of twins and a single. And who knows? Twins would be great. Triplets a little bit more sort of worrying for us because she only has 2 teats, so a bit more pressure. But no, so excited. So I'm going to keep you posted. And yeah, and then I was going to do really just a really good look round the farm so you can actually have a look. And the pigs, we've neglected the pigs and the chickens, so it's about, I think it's their turn. We really have just got 1 or 2 ewes to go, so I think it's the turn of the other animals now. Okay, I won't say Happy Easter yet. Happy Good Friday. Bye bye. Happy Easter, everybody. Easter Sunday. And we have here Timpo and Maxie, and they are thriving. They're having their breakfast. They're very hungry. They've had a long, 8 hours without anything to eat, so they're really, really thirsty. We've come out and there's another lamb born, so we've possibly just got 1 more ewe to go. So job nearly done. Okay, aren't they lovely? This is so satisfying. This Timpo here is little wriggle bottom, but she's behaving very well at the moment. Okay, show you more later. Okay, so time for breakfast for the goats. They have 2 extra food today, otherwise they have hay to keep them going, and they get 1 meal of chopped up veg and fruit, but this is the dry one. Margaret, come on, this way. Come on, Margaret, here. Come on. And a little bit for Manny, because Manny often loses out. Let's have a look. There we go. You see, you have to make sure they're not being cheated. And then we'll have a look and just see if they've got any hay in their house. This is the mountain they like to climb and exercise. You hear the sheep thinking they're getting something, but they're not. Okay, so, yeah. And we'll come in here later because this is where we have a few of the chickens that like to lay their eggs. So today being Easter Sunday, perfect day for an Easter egg hunt. There'll be some eggs in there later on. Happy Easter to Owen and to Nessa. Yes? Hello. And we've neglected you. So today we're going to have a proper... Come on. Hello. I'm a bit too close to you, aren't I? Let's have a look. Hello. He gets very, very jealous. Now this is not, I'm not doing him justice here. So what I probably will do is he is aware that his sister's getting a bit of love. Okay, Owen. All right. Hello, gorgeous girl. Hello. Hello. Would you like one as well? There. Hello. Hello. There we go. Hello. All right. I can't get you both at the same at the moment. I need to come over to see you. Look. Hello. All right. Okay. That's all you wanted. You see, he's happy now. Okay. They are very beautiful, these 2. And as I say, I'm not really doing them justice. I think I'll ask for a little bit of an assistant afterwards, somebody to help me, a bit of assistance. And we'll have a proper film of a cuddle with them, because they do love a cuddle. Yes, you do. I know you do. There we are. Okay, that's not very good filming, I apologise, but I just wanted you to see them again. Okay, let's go and see this new lamb. Here we have possibly our last lamb of the season. She was born this morning when we came out. She was there. She's a really good size lamb, really strong. Mum, it's her first lamb, so her life's going to change. Yeah, she's got responsibilities now for the next 12-16 weeks. Both loving the sunshine and relaxing, but for us, a really nice way to finish on such a beautiful lamb. Really, as I say. And Mum's content now. She's waiting for some nuts, actually. She knows she's got nuts coming. That's part of her reward. But as soon as we do that, the sheep that are behind me will come and try and steal them off her. So we're trying to choose our moment. So, fantastic. Lovely way to go.